As everyone knows, paper is important to our life. There are a lot of ways to use paper. If you look around, you can find that most of them are made of paper. Let's look at what they are. These are most common ways to use paper. Paper is used for writing or drawing. It can be also used for making a book. For example, Harry Potter. Paper is also used for making a newspaper and also for magazine. The most important use of paper is to make a paper money. And you can make a toilet paper with paper. And it is also used for making a paper bag or paper box. So there are lots and lots of ways to use paper. And papers are made from these trees. In 2013, there are approximately 5 trillion trees left. That's a lot. However, those trees will be extinct soon if we waste too much. As you can see now, trees are disappearing every moment. According to the research, 30 stumps of trees are falling down per day. What happens if there are no more trees left? The first thing that is going to happen is there will be no paper money. If there is no more paper money, you're going to have to use coin to buy something. It is really heavy and you might have to bring a bag full of coin just to buy an apple. Also, there will be no more toilet paper, so maybe you will not be able to use toilet paper in the toilet. That is going to be really inconvenient. There will be no more paper documents exist. Therefore, all documents will be displayed on computer. Then you will have bloodshot eyes and feeling tired, and you will not be able to work for a long time. In conclusion, paper is really important to our life, but papers are wasted too much. Every day, Americans buy about 62 million newspapers and throw away around 44 million of them. Half of the world's forests have already been cleared or burned, and 80% of what's left has been seriously degraded. Paper accounts for 25% of landfill waste, which is equal to 1/3 of municipal landfill waste. More than 700 pounds of paper, which is equal to 317 kilograms, are used each year by the average American. If you recycle 1 ton of paper, that means you can save about 17 trees. Now you have learned about the importance of paper and how many papers are wasted. And the most important part in our video is how to save paper. We have to save papers and trees to prevent the extinct of trees. And we are going to tell you about how to do it. When you're trying to save paper, you can use both sides of paper. Use one side of paper, reverse it, and then use the other side of paper. People often use post-its to remember some important events or to write some notes. But to save paper, you have to use whiteboard instead of post-its. In modern days, most people have electronic devices, so you can look at documents or read books digitally, but not too much because you're going to get bloodshot eyes as we told you before. Instead of editing your work after you have printed, try to prove your work on computer before printing. So you don't have to print it again and you can save at least one paper. Last but not least, use recycled paper instead of new paper. Recycled paper is made of used papers, so you can save a lot of papers.